Have you ever wanted to clear out your liked videos history on YouTube? Maybe you've amassed quite a collection, and it's getting a bit cluttered. Well, in this video, I'll show you how to delete all of your liked videos at once. No more tedious manual removals, just a quick and easy process. Let's get started. Step 1. YouTube account. The first step is to open YouTube and select the account from which you want to delete your liked videos history. Ensure you're signed in with the correct account. Step 2. YouTube settings. Next, go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the YouTube. You'll now see a settings icon at the top. Click on it to access your YouTube settings. Once you're in the YouTube settings, you'll find a section called Manage All History. Click on it. This will open a new interface where you can manage your YouTube history. Step 3. Delete history. Here, you'll see various tabs. Look for the Interactions tab and click on it. Under this tab, you'll find the Video Likes and Dislikes section where you'll see a list of all the videos you've liked on YouTube, sorted by the date you liked them. You can delete these liked videos individually by clicking the cross icon next to each video, and you can also delete all the videos you liked on a specific date. Once you've selected the date range, simply click the Delete button. YouTube will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm, and your liked videos for that date range will be gone. And that's it. You've successfully deleted all your liked YouTube videos, whether individually or by date, in just a few simple steps. No more clutter, and a fresh start to your liked videos list. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.